Hi, this is Naveen, your social science teacher of grade 10. Today's class we are going to learn about geography. My topic is resource and development. So in the previous class we have learned about the meaning and of resource, classification of resource, development of resource. So in the this one, what are the uh, classification of resource? We can broadly classified into renewable resource and non-renewable resource on the basis of ownership. We can make it as a individual, community, national and international. On the basis of status of development, we can bifurcate is a potential, developed, stocks, and we can say as a reserves. And development of resource for the major problem and need of sustainable development, accumulation of resource in few hands by dividing the society in have and have nots, indiscriminate use of resource leading to global warming, ozone layer depletion and environmental pollution, land degradation, resource planning needed for sustainable existence of all forms of life. Sustainable economic development is development that should take place without damaging the environment. The first International Earth Summit we are going to speak today, and today's my topic one is the first International Earth Summit which has held in Rio de Janeiro in the year of 1992, and Resource Agenda 21 I am going to speak with you. Resource planning and why we need to plan resources, and resource planning in India, land resource and land utilization. Land resource and land utilization we are going to speak. Sustainable development, which means sustainable economic development. Development should take place without damaging the environment, and development in the present should not be compromised with the needs of the future generation. So we are speaking Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit, which has held in the year of 1992. In June 1992, more than 100 heads of states met in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil for the first International Earth Summit. The summit was convened for addressing urgent problem of environmental protection and socio-economic development at the global level. The assembled the leader signed the Declaration on Global Economic Change and Biological Diversity. The Rio Convention endorsed the Global Forest Principle and adopted the Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in the 21st century. What that Agenda 21, what it says means, it is the declaration which was signed by the world leaders in the year of 1992. The United Nations Conference of Environment and Development, UNCED, which took place at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It aims at achieving global sustainable development. It is an agenda to combat environmental damage, poverty, diseases through global cooperation on common interest, mutual needs, and shared the responsibility. The major objectives of this Agenda 21 is that every local government should draw of its own local Agenda 21. Means every local government should be having their agenda regarding to save our earth. That is the main thing of this. Resource planning. Planning means we know, which is thinking in advance what to do, how to do, where to do and when to do. Planning is widely accepted strategy for the judicious use of resource. It has importance in country what we are like India. It is very necessary. Why I will tell you. So there are regions which are rich in certain resource and and somewhere we have the depletion of resources in the other area or the region. For example, I will give you Arunachal Pradesh, what we are has abundance of water, but there is a we can find there is a lack of infrastructure, and moreover Rajasthan we can talk about they are having the plenty of the solar and wind energy, but there is a lack of water resource. That is the main thing. So the what is the resource planning in India? The resource planning in India that first started like this, the complex process involving the three process. One is the identification and inventory of resources we have taken, and after that identification it started the evolving planning structure, matching the resource development plan with the national development plans, and the 5 years plans launched after the Indian independence. Indian resource development depends on technology, quality of human resource, and historical experience of people. Conservation of resources. Resources are the it plays a vital role or the very important role in the development activity, but irrational consumption and the over utilization of resources may lead to the socio-economic and the environmental problems. So that is a main thing where we have to plan or we have to conserve our resources for the futures. And I am going to speak next about the on the resources. I will take as an example land resources. Land resource, what is the importance of the land? We can tell here it's a perform all economic activities on land, and it is a natural resource supporting natural vegetation, wildlife, economic activities, transport and communication systems. It is an assets to finite the magnitude and variety of relief features in India. The plains which has covered in the 43% of area, and mountains which has covered 30%, plateaus which has covered in the 27%, and possess rich resources in all these relief features. Land utilization. What is a land utilization means here? Land is a resources which are used for the many purpose. For example, it is a forest we can say, and land not available for cultivation, that we are calling by the name of the barren and wasteland. Other than that, other uncultivable land, that is excluding the fallow land, we have the permanent pasture and grazing land, land under the miscellaneous purpose, that is a tree crafts, and that will be, and which is not available for the sowing purpose. Cultivable wasteland and fallow lands we are going to speak. The fallow lands in that will be classified into two. One is the current fallow, and other than current fallow, that is left uncultivated for the first 1 to 5 agriculture years. And net sown area. What is the net sown area means here? Area sown more than one in an agriculture year plus net sown area is known as the grass crop area. This is about what we have learned in the today's class. We have learned that is the development of resource, the major problems and need of sustainable development, and we have learned about the first International Earth Summit and Agenda 21, need for resource planning in India, the complex process involved in the process, and the conservation of resource. And we have learnt about the land resource, in that importance of land, relief features and the land utilization. In the next class we are going to talk about the land resource, soil as a resources. Thank you for watching video. Stay tuned to GJS. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.